storm warning in effect until 4 p.m. Tuesday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation. Additional snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Nice accumulations around 1/4 of an inch are expected. Where? Bedford and Fulton counties. When? Until 4 p.m. Tuesday. The snow will transition to sleet and freezing rain this evening and early tonight. The freezing rain will be most prevalent overnight and early Tuesday morning. Additional details, power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel will be dangerous due to the combination of precipitation types. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Pennsylvania Commission strongly encourage motorists to keep all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.511pa.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions.
Here we go again.
Winter weather statement for the following counties: Franklin, Pennsylvania. Winter storm warning in effect until 6 p.m. Tuesday. Wet, heavy mixed rain during the day on Tuesday. Additional details, power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel will become dangerous due to the combination of precipitation types. Be prepared for significant reductions in visibility at times. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.511pa.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions. Here's a winter weather statement. For the following counties: Julietta and Mifflin. Winter storm warning in effect until 6 p.m. Tuesday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation. Additional snow accumulations of 4 to 7 inches and ice accumulations of up to 2/10 of an inch are expected. Where? Clearfield, Northern Center, Southern Center, Mifflin, and Julietta counties. When? Until 6 p.m. Tuesday. The snow will transition to sleet and freezing rain overnight. The freezing rain will be most prevalent late tonight and early Tuesday morning. Additional details, travel will become dangerous due to the combination of precipitation types. Be prepared for significant reductions in visibility at times. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.511pa.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions. Here's a winter This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bedford and Fulton. Winter storm warning in effect until 4 p.m. Tuesday. Snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches and ice accumulations around 1/4 of an inch are expected. The areas affected include the hazardous weather conditions are expected until 4 p.m. Tuesday. The snow will transition to sleet and freezing rain this evening and early tonight. The freezing rain will be most prevalent overnight and early Tuesday morning. Additional details, power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel will be dangerous due to the combination of precipitation types. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.511pa.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions. The current This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, Pennsylvania. Storm warning in effect until 6 p.m. Tuesday. Heavy mixed precipitation. Additional snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches tonight. Accumulations of up to 1/4 of an inch are expected. The areas affected include Franklin County. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 6 p.m. Tuesday. Snow will mix with sleet and freezing rain tonight and gradually turn to mainly freezing rain late tonight and then to plain rain during the day on Tuesday. Additional details, power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel will become dangerous due to the combination of precipitation types. Be prepared for significant reductions in visibility at times. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.511pa.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions. The Northern Virginia Mountain for Pennsylvania. Winter storm warning in effect until 6 p.m. Tuesday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation. Additional snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches tonight. Accumulations of 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch are expected. Where? Huntington, Cary, Dauphin, Lebanon, and Cumberland counties. When? Until 6 p.m. Tuesday. Snow will mix with sleet and freezing rain tonight and gradually turn to mainly freezing rain during the day on Tuesday. Additional details, travel will become dangerous due to the combination of precipitation types. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.511pa.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions. Here's the Weather Service. For the following counties in West Virginia. Significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. When venturing outside, watch your first few steps taken on steps, sidewalks, and driveways, which could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. This is a Northern Virginia Blue Ridge, Virginia. Winter storm warning in effect until 10 a.m. Tuesday. Significant icing expected. Total ice accumulations of around 1/4 of an inch expected. The areas affected include Northern Virginia Blue Ridge. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 10 a.m. Tuesday. Additional details, travel will become extremely difficult tonight into Tuesday morning. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
It would have made more sense to issue an ice storm warning for that, but okay, whatever suits you.
For the following counties in Maryland, Carroll, Frederick, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Hartford and Washington, and Morgan, West Virginia. Winter storm warning in effect until 10 a.m. Tuesday. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Total snowfall and sleet accumulations, including snow that has fallen since Sunday night of 3 to 7 inches, are expected, with isolated totals up to 9 inches possible along the Pennsylvania border in northern Baltimore and northwestern Hartford counties. Freezing rain accumulations of 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch are also expected through Tuesday morning. The areas affected include portions of north central and northern Maryland and Morgan County, West Virginia. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 10 a.m. Tuesday. Additional details: travel may become extremely difficult, especially north of Interstate 70 to near the Pennsylvania border. These conditions will likely affect the Tuesday morning commute. The combined weight of snow, sleet, and freezing rain will likely result in scattered power outages. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. The current This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Adams and York. Winter storm warning in effect until 4 p.m. Tuesday. Snow then heavy mixed precipitation. Additional snow accumulations of 3 to 4 inches and ice accumulations of up to 1/2 of an inch are expected. The areas affected include Adams, York, and Lancaster counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 4 p.m. Tuesday. Snow will gradually mix with them change to sleet, and freezing rain will after midnight, before turning to all freezing rain during the mid to late morning hours Tuesday. The temperatures will warm slightly Tuesday to change the precipitation to plain rain during the mid-afternoon. Additional details: power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel will become dangerous due to the combination of precipitation types. Be prepared for significant reductions in visibility at times. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.511pa.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions. This is a
The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Cambria, Blair, Somerset, Fulton, and Bedford. Effective until 6:28 p.m. Winter storm warning now in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. What? Heavy freezing rain and sleet. Additional sleet accumulations of up to 1/2 inch and additional ice accumulations of up to 1/4 of an inch are expected. Where? Cambria, Blair, Somerset, Bedford, and Fulton counties. 1 until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Additional details: plan on difficult travel conditions. Winds may gust into the 20 south, posing a potential threat for power outages. Precautionary/preparedness actions. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.511om for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions. Service has issued a winter storm warning for the following Maryland counties: Washington, Frederick, Baltimore, and Morgan County, West Virginia. Effective until 7:17 p.m. Winter storm warning now in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. What freezing rain accumulations of 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch are also expected through this morning, where portions of north central and northern Maryland and Morgan County, West Virginia. 1 until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Additional details: travel may become extremely difficult, especially north of Interstate 70 to near the Pennsylvania border. The freezing rain will likely result in scattered power outages. Precautionary/preparedness actions. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Has issued a flood warning for the Opequon Creek near Martinsburg from late tonight until Wednesday evening. At 3 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 6.6 feet and rising. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by overnight tonight and crest near 10.2 feet by tomorrow morning. The river is expected to fall below flood stage by mid-afternoon Wednesday. Impact at 10.0 feet. Flood waters begin to cover Douglas Grove Road, County Road 9/16 east of Martinsburg. A portion of Bowers Road is also flooded. Low-lying areas near the creek begin to flood. Water also begins to cover the stream access point at the Van Meter Ford pedestrian bridge. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 11.2 feet on May 6, 2017. Standard Time this evening. What total freezing rain accumulations of up to 1/4 of an inch are expected through this evening, where portions of north central and northern Maryland and Morgan County, West Virginia. 1 until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Additional details: travel may become extremely difficult, especially north of Interstate 70 near the Pennsylvania border. The freezing rain will likely result in scattered power outages. Precautionary/preparedness actions.